Here's a 2016 Buick Verano. Whatever you were expecting, this Verano surpasses it. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.